Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mint yogurt. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh mint leaves, plain yogurt, and a few common seasonings like salt and a pinch of sugar. Selecting good quality, plain yogurt is key, whether you prefer full fat for a richer taste or a lighter, low-fat option. Make sure your mint is thoroughly washed and ready to use. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient, the mint. Begin by washing your fresh mint leaves very thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. After washing, gently pat the leaves completely dry with a paper towel. This step is important to prevent excess water from thinning your yogurt. Finally, finely chop the mint leaves. Smaller pieces will blend better and release more flavor. With your mint prepared, it's time to bring everything together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your finely chopped mint leaves with the plain yogurt. Next, add a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors and a touch of sugar, if desired, to subtly sweeten the mixture. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly until the mint is evenly distributed and the yogurt is smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Once mixed, cover your mint yogurt and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a more refreshing taste. Serve your homemade mint yogurt as a delightful dip for vegetables, a cool side dish with spicy meals, or even as a light snack. It's incredibly versatile. For more great tips and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.